Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add attachments into Trello. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to add attachments into your Trello, you just simply have to open your Trello application at first, and after that select the board where you want to add the attachments. Then after that, just simply choose any of the cards into here, and after choosing the cards you will get to see this add attachment option. In order to add attachment, just simply tap into that button and then you can choose photo, file, clipboard and many more options. This way you can easily add an attachment into your Trello. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.